Are you experiencing audio and video sync issues while watching YouTube TV? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you some quick and easy solutions to fix this problem. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a helpful tip. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Poor connection speed can cause buffering and sync issues. Test your connection by streaming other content or using a speed test app. Make sure you have a stable connection with at least 5 megabits per second for HD or 15 megabits per second for 4K content. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your smart TV, streaming device, or router can resolve sync issues. Power off your device for 10 seconds and turn it back on. If using a streaming device like Chromecast or Roku, unplug and plug it back in. Step 3. Update your YouTube TV app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the YouTube TV app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for YouTube TV, and check if an update is available. Update to the latest version for optimal performance. Step 4. Adjust audio settings. Sometimes, adjusting the audio settings can fix sync issues. Go to Settings in the YouTube TV app. Select Audio and try changing the audio output from stereo to 5.1 surround sound or vice versa. Step 5. Disable HDMI-CC. If you're using HDMI-CC, it might be causing sync issues. Go to your TV settings and disable the HDMI-CC feature. This can improve synchronization. Step 6. Reinstall YouTube TV. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube TV app. This can clear any app glitches and restore smooth playback. That's it. Now you can enjoy YouTube TV without any audio and video sync issues. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. Movie camera speaker high volume.